After you're arrested for a DUI, you're going to be handed several different types of paperwork. They're going to take your Maryland driver's license and give you a temporary Maryland driver's license. They're also going to give you a statement of your charges and your citations. They're also going to provide you with something called a notice to appear for a preliminary inquiry. So what is a preliminary inquiry? Well, it's an informal hearing where you appear before a judicial officer, usually a district court commissioner, and they tell you what your charges are, the maximum penalties, and advise you to get an attorney. And typically you have 5 days to do this after your arrest. So do you have to appear for this preliminary inquiry? The answer is no, if you hire an attorney and they enter their appearance in your case before the 5-day deadline. If they do that, then you can avoid going to the preliminary inquiry. One of the advantages to having an attorney get involved in the case before going to the preliminary inquiry is that oftentimes the courts will call the attorney's office and let them select the court date. If you appear in front of the district court commissioner, they may just give you a court date. So if you have vacations planned or business trips or you're not available the day of your court date, you're going to then have to ask for a postponement. So what's helpful is having an attorney involved so they can help select your court date. Also, it's helpful that you don't have to make that trip and suffer that inconvenience. Getting arrested for a DUI is already a stressful time, you have a lot of questions, and not having to go to a preliminary inquiry by hiring an attorney is just one thing that you can avoid doing and one burden that you can take off your chest. So if you've been arrested for a DUI and you need to appear for a preliminary inquiry, hire an attorney before the 5-day deadline.